Hello dear colleagues, welcome to the channel for creative teachers of English. I'm sure you're one of them. So what's in today's video? It's a vocabulary game for beginners and elementary students, and it works best for a group of 10-15 students. It will help them revise sports, feelings, action verbs, hobbies and animals. Before playing the game, ask your students to stand up, find a place where there is enough space to do some exercise, and learn this easy chant with them. The sea goes up and down 1. The sea goes up and down 2. The sea goes up and down 3. Now tell me please what you can see. Now your students are ready to play the game. It is played in pairs. Ask two students to stand next to you and choose a category on the board. Animals, hobbies, sports, action verbs, feelings. Start chanting with the other students. The sea goes up and down 1, 2, 3. When the chant is over, every student should mime a word from the chosen category. And the two students should move around the classroom, point at students and try to guess as many words as they can in 1 minute. Oh, swimming, football, boxing. The role of the teacher is to keep the score. When they finish, invite another pair of players. Continue until all the students in the classroom have played. What's the chant for, you may ask me? It's just a guessing game. On the one hand it is, but on the other hand, this chant, firstly, gives students time to think of a word they're going to mime, and second, and which is much more important, saying and doing something together with your students creates this unique, very special and very important feeling of togetherness. It helps to build rapport. It helps to unite. It helps to create a friendly, relaxed atmosphere when all students are ready to work and make progress in English. If you sometimes feel like you're running out of ideas, check out the link in the description box to download my ebooks with ESL games for kindergarten and school. I started this channel to share ESL games that proved to give great results for my students, and I hope these games will help you make your lessons even more enjoyable and engaging.